Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get lantern in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now there's an event in Heartopia called Sea Lanterns of Sentiment. And this is a limited time event. It will leave the game after 5 days, 10 hours. And then guys, to get the lantern, you need to go to the Sea Lantern store. Okay, and then you can choose the lantern that you like. And you can place the lantern in your house if you want, or you can release it, join the event and release it. And for me, I'm going to buy this one, Fortune Gatherer's Sea Lantern. Okay, I'm going to purchase it. And then here, as you can see, for the placement type, you can place it on the ground, flooring, table, or water surface. Or you can also release the lantern right here. Don't forget to drag the lantern release point. It's on the sea. Then you can release your lantern here, or you can place it in your house. Okay guys, and that's how you can get lantern from the Sea Lantern event in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!